Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers. And at Impress Computers, one of the things that we specialize in is laptop and MacBook repairs. This requires a lot more intricate detail, and especially on the new Macs, it requires fine precision. So if you're looking for a screen replacement, a fan replacement, hard drive replacement, on some of the new Macs, it's soldered onto the motherboard, but on pretty much most of them, we can do all of those repairs for you. We've just recently done a screen replacement where we had to remove the entire screen and assembly, disassemble the laptop completely and put it back together, and Hazam was able to do that. If you're looking for MacBook repairs and you want experience and you want it done right the first time, contact Impress Computers, 281-647-9977.